We're going to show you a simple 2-ingredient method, which will help you remove the dangerous mold and the unpleasant odor from your washing machine. And the main ingredient in this homemade remedy is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil that has been used for centuries by Aborigines. The oil is taken from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia, a plant native to Australia. Interestingly, you cannot find tea tree oil naturally occurring anywhere else. The Aborigines would crush the leaves, then place them on a wound or burn, holding them in place with a mud pack. The experts say that back in the 1920s, Australian researchers discovered that tea tree oil is an antiseptic 100 times more effective than carbolic acid, a well-known germicide of the time. Its antiseptic properties are unimaginable and extremely powerful. A recent study has discovered that tea tree oil can effectively treat respiratory problems ranging from common sore throats, coughs and runny nose to asthma, tuberculosis, and bronchitis. It also possesses antibiotic properties that help treat skin infections, rashes, burns, dandruff and much more. You can also use tea tree oil to remove mold. It disinfects and removes all types of germs and mold. You will need the following ingredients: tea tree oil, cloth. Directions. It's very simple. First, you should mix 2 teaspoons of tea tree oil with 2 cups of water and add it to a spray bottle. After that, you should use this mixture and spray down moldy areas. Allow the mixture to sit and then wipe away. It really works. You will be amazed by the results.